Hello friends, Sam here. So today what we are going to discuss, Anupama is facing one problem today. The problem is, look at the symptom first. What is the issue? So she has created a couple of record types for employee object. So let me show you that. So I'm going to set up, I'm going to create, I'm going to objects and employees. And you can see that there are there are on record, on roll and on contract. On contract and on roll, these two record types are created. That is perfectly fine. Now what is happening whenever she is going to employees tab, and whenever she click on new, there is no option coming to select on contract and on the roll. Directly it is taking on contract. Okay. Another thing, let me show you edit. So suppose I'm trying to edit the record. Now here record type is not really displayed. So first thing to do is that let us display here the record type. So let's take a record type over here at the top. Save so that record type will be visible. So all are master record type. So if you try to select any record, let's say I'm going to this particular record, you can see that change is coming for this, but whenever I say change, on the roll is not coming. So somehow there is some problem in on roll record type. Okay. Let us check the page layout assignment and all. Let us check that once to just verify that whether all is in place. Let me go to that record type. I'm going to objects, employee, and let us see the page layout assignment. Okay, so we can see that system administrator, and for this master, employee layout is there. On contract page layout is there. On the roll page layout is there. So all looks good. I'm just verifying on that particular page layout, there is record type field is also appearing at the top. So that is not the problem. In all three layouts, I do have the record type field displayed in my page layout. So that is not the problem. So everything is in place, all good. So even on employee layout, record type is there. So now what is happening here? Somehow system administrator is not able to access on roll. So somehow on roll is not assigned to the system admin profile. So there must be something wrong in the profile setting wherever we are trying to assign a particular record type to the profile. So let's check the profile setting. Now let me go to setup and let me go to manage user profiles, and let me check. I'll go to system admin profile. Where is system admin? Let me go. Okay, system administrator profile. Let me go there. And there I'll go to object settings. And there I will see the record type assignment. So in the profile, if you see employee object, here it is. Now let me go to employee object and let me see here. Now here you can see one thing. This is what is called as assign record type. So this checkbox, which is on contract checkbox, that is checked, but on roll checkbox is not checked. That means your on roll record type is not assigned to the system admin profile. System admin profile cannot see that on roll. So whenever that on roll got created, so you have to select all the profile. So it looks that you missed to select the system admin profile, or you maybe uncheck all the profile, and somehow system admin profile can't access on the roll. That's a problem. Okay, so let us edit that. And let me check this box and let me save this. And now let's check what's happening. So let me go to employee now and let me click on new. Now I'm getting the option on contract and on roll. Even if I try to edit, Suppose I try to edit any record. So whenever you want to change the record type, don't click on this edit. Remember that. Okay, you will not able to do that. You click on this employee reference and then you can say change, and then you can make it like on roll or on contract like this. So see, this happens on contract now. Let's see that this happens. Where is the record type? Have we saved that? Let me just select it. Let me just change it. Let me make it on the roll. Continue. So I have to fill the values. Let me fill the values. Say save. Now you will able to see that as on the roll. You can see whenever I'll go to employee and I'll say go, this guy E001 got changed to on the roll. Okay, so that you can change further. You may change it to something else. Again, by clicking on the employee reference, you can change this record type further. That's how it is. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.